There you go. Shake them out. There you go.
Right, pick up the flower. Pick them up. There you go. Pick it all up.
He's not going to bite you.
They don't bite first.
He's just going to tickle you.
There you go. There you go.
There he goes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, butterfly. One more. There's two more.
Okay, get him out.
No. I'll try to touch one.
Say bye.
Okay.
Oh. Here it comes. Go find your friends. Hurry up. There you go. All right. Here.
I'll do it. No, I'll do it.
Pick them up.
They're afraid to get picked up.
Yay!
Come on, butterfly.
Turn it upside down. Go ahead, just let the flowers fall out. It's alright. Here they go. There goes another one. One more. Go find your friend. Here he is.